GameStop also BBBY opened up way above gamma maximum this morning, right? And so the price isn't going to be super stable in like the 130 like 130 or 3250 like $35 range. And until that options chain is going to open up after today. But yeah, they're going to attempt to keep it from, gamma squeezing if they can. So after today, it'll have a lot more strikes open. Do you make money buying cat calls or buying and selling cat shares? I've never owned any shares of Caterpillar, just calls. 318 $100 CSPs. Hmm. There's a risk this could fill. I mean, do you want to buy at 100? If you want to buy at 100, that's fine. But if you're just selling them for premium, it's a little close for comfort. Do you think short hedge funds are trying novel market strategies that haven't been done before to contain GME? Are they getting more innovative? Hmm. I mean, some of it's kind of innovative. Some of it's just what they have to do in order to continue shorting the stock. Why do you think RC is bullish on BBBY? I mean, it's also heavily shorted. Um, they have a lot of cash on hand. They have divisions of the company they can cut loose for a profit. It's undervalued, especially after their share buyback. Even right now where it's trading at, it's I think severely undervalued. I haven't done like a full dive into their financials, but on the surface it looks good. Especially if they take some of his guidance and move forward with it. I know a lot of people in here we discussed in the past buying leaps on BBBY, and I know a lot of people in here did because of their share offering alone. So it wasn't like a stock we weren't looking at before this. Um, I think some of them might have even started entering positions before Ryan Cohen did. Um, Not as good of a cost basis, but because I know people were buying it back in December, and we discussed it again right around the January leap period. That's when I bought leaps on it. I didn't buy a lot of them. I obviously wish I'd bought way more now, but um, shares are fine, right? They can be averaged down if the price declines over the next couple of weeks. But the importance of Ryan Cohen's buy-in into BBBY and this meme basket, like other meme basket stock, is that it can create the same situation that was created last year, where the large purchase creates a surplus of FTDs on the stock, putting the stock onto the reg show threshold list, and forcing the settlement of those FTDs. And in the forcing of the settlement of those FTDs can create a Volga-Vana squeeze as variance positions across the consumer discretionary or the retail sector become at risk, which drives a significant amount of options hedging, which can then drive further price improvement and improve the possibility of a gamma squeeze occurring. And because the short position is over the entire sector, a squeeze on one can mean a squeeze on all. How do they short GME when utilization has been 100% for 19 days? Okay, first of all, there's two reasons. Ortex short utilization, which is what people are referencing, and IBKR. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it's Ortex or IBKR. Do not have a view of the entire lending pool. So of the shares they track, 100% are used. This does not mean that 100% of all available GME shares are being used. The second thing is through ETFs. The supply of short sales, shouldn't even say short sales, the supply of shares is unlimited. So that is how they can continue to short, and how they will continue to short.